Now that the criminals are gone, Kai, what do you want to do?
First things first, I think we should have a place just for storage. It should go right there.
So just to clarify, we're moving our belongings away from our beds for no reason?
No, because Kai told us.
Honestly, this does nothing. Now we just have to work for our clothing.
All right, maybe making Kai mayor wasn't such a good idea. So after doing some more of Kai's ridiculous demands, the Day One boys and I set off on our daily exploration. All right, we'll be back in around 2 hours. So while we've explored just about every tunnel and room in this underground city, I have a special one here that I really want to show you guys. All right, see this dead end right here?
Yeah.
What if I told you it's a fake dead end?
No.
What is this?
There you go.
What?
There's a fake door that led to a giant tunnel! Whoa! Where does the tunnel lead to then?
Let's find out.
All right, get this. The tunnel was so long, we literally had to run down it.
Still going.
This is the longest tunnel I've ever seen in my life.
I see the light.
And at the end of the tunnel, I built a Zaxby's.
No!
Brand new Mr. Beast box available in every single Zaxby's. That comes with the Feastables bar.